In today's video, I am going to teach you how to crop image in Google Sheets. Cropping an image helps you focus attention on exactly what matters, clean up unwanted edges, and keep your spreadsheet tidy and readable. We'll use a simple, reliable method built right into Google Sheets so you don't need any extra tools. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you are on the tab where you want the image to appear when you are done. Having that ready will make placing the image smoother at the end. Next, we'll use the drawing tool, which is the recommended approach for clean, precise cropping. Go to the top menu and choose Insert. Then select Drawing. This opens a separate canvas on top of your sheet. Think of it as a workspace where you can prepare your image before placing it back into the spreadsheet. Inside the drawing window, add your image. Click the image icon to upload a picture from your computer, or simply drag and drop your image into the canvas. You'll see it appear in the center. If the image is large, don't worry, Google's Canvas will handle it. And you can still crop it down to exactly what you need. Common formats like PNG and JPG work great here. Now, click the Crop tool. You'll recognize it by its icon, which looks like two overlapping right angles. When you activate it, a set of black border handles will appear around your image. These are your controls for defining the crop area. Drag the black handles inward to frame the part of the image you want to keep. As you drag, imagine drawing a box around the most important content. Maybe it's a logo, a chart segment, or a screenshot highlight. Try to leave a small visual margin so the image doesn't feel cramped, and keep the subject centered or aligned with nearby spreadsheet content for a balanced look. If you need a tighter crop, pull the handles closer. If you want more context, give the edges a bit more room. Take your time here. The crop preview updates as you move the handles, so you can fine-tune until it looks right. When you are happy with the crop, click Save and Close. Your newly cropped image will be placed directly in your sheet, ready to move, align with cells, or position alongside your data. Because you prepared it in the drawing tool, it comes in clean and focused, which helps your spreadsheet stay professional and easy to read. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.